Investors are uncertain about which policies will persist and which ones won't. The unabashed bullishness that characterized much of the past 2 years has been clouded by concerns including trade war threats, regulatory upheaval, stubborn inflation, and dwindling expectations for additional interest rate cuts. In 2024, the S&P 500 rose 23%, driven by a select few stocks that reached extraordinarily high valuations as the year progressed. While investors have not completely lost faith in the market, the constant stream of headlines has left many feeling less confident about the future direction of stocks. The mood is confused. They don't know which policies will stick and which ones won't, said Ed Yardeni, president of Yardeni Research. It isn't necessarily bearish, it's just not bullish. Recently, investor Yeager shifted approximately $600,000 from growth stocks into value and dividend-focused funds, aiming to invest in a less risky and more attractively priced segment of the market. Some investors are withdrawing money from stocks. Data from Morningstar Direct shows that outflows from U.S. equity mutual and exchange-traded funds exceeded inflows by nearly $11 billion in January, indicating that investors pulled more money from these funds than they added. One particular policy under President Trump's administration that investors are closely monitoring is the tariffs, as Trump frequently changes his stance on when these duties will be implemented and which countries will be affected. Economists have warned that tariffs could exacerbate inflation, increase costs for American businesses, and adversely affect growth and the markets. In February, risk appetite among investors sharply declined, as noted in the S&P Global Investment Manager Index. Investors began re-evaluating the potential impact of the Trump administration on earnings growth and the broader economy, leading to negative expectations for U.S. equity returns over the coming month. Despite these concerns, investors are not completely abandoning stocks. Major indexes rose on February 10, even in the wake of newly announced steel and aluminum tariffs. On Thursday, Trump postponed a plan to impose reciprocal tariffs on countries that impose duties on U.S. imports, which helped lift stock prices.